Alright, let's play a game. I want you to judge how good a car is, but you're only allowed to look at its windshield wipers. That's it. Is the engine powerful? Is the ride smooth? Are the seats comfy? Doesn't matter. We're all about the wipers. Sounds ridiculous, right? Well, for over a century, we've been doing something similar with the human brain. We've been using IQ tests, the windshield wipers of intelligence, and pretending they tell us the whole story about the incredible, high-performance machine that is your mind. Today, we're going to pop the hood and see what's really going on. We'll explore why an IQ test is a bit of a one-trick pony, and how it can be as biased as a referee at their own kid's soccer game. Spoiler alert, your brain is way cooler than a 2-digit number. Think of your intelligence as a superhero team, like the Avengers, living in your head. It's a full squad, and each member has a unique, awesome power. First, you've got Captain Logic. This is the hero the IQ test loves. Captain Logic is a master of puzzles, patterns, and finding the one single correct answer. They can solve a Sudoku puzzle in their sleep and see the next number in a sequence from a mile away. IQ tests are basically a giant fan club for this one hero. But wait, there are other heroes on the team. Meet the inventor, your creativity. This hero doesn't care about the one right answer. They're busy brainstorming 100 new answers. The inventor is the one who looks at a problem and thinks, what if we tried it upside down, or backwards? Or what if we built a rocket-powered catapult to solve it? An IQ test is a paint-by-numbers kit. It tells you exactly where to put each color. The inventor is handed a blank canvas and a bucket of glitter and told to make magic. The test just doesn't know what to do with that. Then there's the diplomat, your emotional intelligence. This hero can read a room in seconds. They know when a friend needs a hug, how to calm down an angry customer, or how to inspire a team to work together. They're masters of empathy and connection. An IQ test has 0 questions about this. It's like asking a master negotiator to prove their skill by solving a math problem. It's the wrong tool for the job. And don't forget the fixer, your practical intelligence, or street smarts. This is the hero who can assemble IKEA furniture without crying, figure out how to get a stain out of a shirt, or navigate a new city using nothing but instinct and the position of the sun. They're the hands-on problem solvers. An IQ test, which lives in a world of abstract puzzles, wouldn't even know where to begin measuring this kind of real-world genius. So, when an IQ test gives you a score, it's only talking to Captain Logic. The rest of your superhero team, the inventor, the diplomat, the fixer, they're all just chilling in the background, completely ignored. It's not a full team review. It's a performance report on just one employee. Okay, now let's talk about bias. Imagine the IQ test is a big, important race. The winner gets a genius trophy. Sounds fair, right? But what if I told you the race is rigged? For starters, the rulebook is written in a secret code. The test is packed with cultural inside jokes. The question might reference a specific type of poetry, a historical event, or a concept that's common knowledge in one culture but completely alien in another. If you weren't raised in the culture that wrote the test, it's like showing up to a trivia night where all the questions are about a TV show you've never seen. You're not less intelligent. You just weren't given the cheat sheet. This has had some pretty disastrous real-world consequences. Back in the day, officials gave English language IQ tests to immigrants who had just arrived in America, many of whom didn't speak a word of English. Unsurprisingly, they scored low. Instead of realizing the test was flawed, the testers concluded these people were unintelligent. They weren't measuring brain power. They were measuring English skills and cultural familiarity. Now, let's talk about the racetrack itself. Some runners get a brand new, perfectly paved track, the best running shoes money can buy, and a personal coach who's been training them for this exact race their whole life. This is like growing up with access to great schools, tutors, books, and a supportive environment. Other runners are told the race starts in 30 seconds, handed a pair of worn-out flip-flops, and pointed toward a muddy, obstacle-filled path. This is the reality for those from under-resourced communities. They have all the same potential, but they're running a much harder race. So, when one runner finishes way ahead of the other, is it because they're a naturally faster runner? Or is it because one of them was set up to win? Studies show that when you account for these differences in background and opportunity, the so-called gaps in IQ scores between different groups shrink dramatically. The test often reflects the starting line you were given, not your actual ability to run. So, after all this, should we just throw IQ tests in the trash? Not necessarily. A tool is only as good as the person using it. An IQ test is like a metal detector. If you want to find loose change on a beach, it's a fantastic tool. But if you want to find a beautiful, rare flower, the metal detector is useless. It will just tell you, nope, no metal here. It doesn't mean the flower doesn't exist. Your intelligence is a vast, vibrant garden, full of all kinds of life-towering trees of logic, strange and wonderful flowers of creativity, and winding rivers of emotion. An IQ test is just one tool that can spot one thing. It can't see the whole ecosystem. The danger isn't the test itself, but the fact that we've mistaken it for a complete map of the garden. We've been using a metal detector and thinking it can tell us everything. The truth is, you are not a number. You are a symphony. You are a superhero team. You are a whole magnificent garden. Let's stop focusing on the windshield wipers and start appreciating the entire incredible engine. If you like this video, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.